Hi, my name is Justin with Party Plus Cockeysville, and we're going to show you how to operate the cotton candy machine. First, you need a 20 amp circuit to run it with a grounded wire. Next, to set up your bowl, it comes with netting and 7 clips, and you're just going to slide the clips over the edge of the bowl to pin the netting to the bowl. On the top of the machine, you have 4 rubber pads that your bowl can sit on, and the head of the machine will go through the center of the bowl. On the front side of the machine, you have your main power on and off switch for the motor, your heat range, and your fine tuning for your heat. To start off, you're going to have everything off. Turn the main power on, set your main heat to A, and you can turn your fine heating all the way to the right in section 8. To add the sugar, you pour it in the center of the head of the machine, and you only want to fill it to about 90%. You can rent the wind guard separately, and that'll keep more floss inside the bowl. Once the sugar melts, you can stick your cone in and rotate it throughout the bowl and start collecting the floss. And there's your cotton candy cone. If you want to adjust where the floss sits in the bowl, you want to turn your machine off and let it come to a complete stop. On the top of the head of the machine, you have 2 leather straps. If you want the floss to be lower in the bowl, you want to push the flaps down, and if you want the floss higher, you want to push the flaps up. To clean the bowl, you would just remove the wind guard, remove the bowl from the machine, take the netting out, take a damp rag, and wipe out the bowl. You never want to let any water get inside the machine. Some common problems you might have are with the electricity. Again, you want to make sure you have a 20 amp circuit. You want to make sure it's fully plugged in and is turned on. If you're still having problems, try another appliance in the outlet to make sure the outlet is okay. If the motor is running but you're not getting enough floss or any floss at all, you want to make sure you have enough sugar inside the machine. You want to check the voltmeter to make sure it's reading, and you might have to increase the heat to melt the sugar. If the machine is smoking, you're going to want to decrease the heat, and you also want to make sure you're using the correct product. If you have any vibration in the machine, you want to make sure that you have enough sugar in the machine. You want to make sure it's sitting on a level surface and that the bowl itself is level. And you also want to make sure you do not have any clumps in your sugar that could cause the machine to vibrate. And again, once you're done, you just take a damp rag throughout the bowl, and you always want to make sure you let the head of the machine cool down before you wipe it down.